How to split cells in MS Excel. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, write something. For example, I am writing this. Then if you want to split this cell, what you have to do is simply select this, then go to data, then tap on text to column, then select this, tap text to column, tap on next, and now you can create this break line or this column, then tap on next, then tap on finish, and as you can see the cells are split and you are done. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.